My sister. She is Stefania. She is a very serious person. She has a difficult character, but at the same time, she is fun and very responsible. She also is sensitive, and she does not like that when she is crying, they see her because she feels ashamed. She doesn't usually express her emotions herself, but the time she did, I remember her telling me that she was very proud of, of me for what she was accomplishing. She doesn't like horror movies because the last time she saw one, she was terrified. My dad, he is William. He is a very funny person. He always makes us laugh with the occurrence of him. He is honest and very hardworking. He is generally always in a good mood. When someone is in trouble, he is willing to help them. He is very enthusiastic and glad for all the accomplishment we have. He is loving and friendly. I think that is the reason why he has many friends. The time we went to my mother's surgery, he become friends with many doctors. He is a good person. I love my dad.